Welcome to day number 14 of Codetober. In the last video, we saw this function, the extract path function. If you want to see it again, go ahead on the previous video. But I promise to do a lot of the different functions that are here that you may not know how to use. So we'll start with the isNumeric function. If I go to the documentation for isNumeric, you will see some code snippets that you can take here. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go to my DataWeave playground and play around with it. All right, so I'm importing the isNumeric function from the strings module, DW core, and I'm outputting a JSON. So we have an object, we have letter A for the first field, and we're saying isNumeric null. So it's false. Null is not numeric. Then for the second one, we're saying isNumeric empty string. And it's a false. It's not numeric. isNumeric space. It's not numeric. And then we're saying isNumeric, and then we have 1, 2, 3. And this is true. Then we have this other number, which I guess it's numeric. I'm sorry. I don't know this language. If anyone knows what this language is, let me know in the comments below. And if we continue to the rest, all of them are false. So in this case, for example, it is a number, but it does have a space. So it's not completely a number. And then this one is like, it has characters and it has one number, but it's not completely a number. Then we have this one, which contains a character in the middle, and this one is also a character in the middle, even though it's a dot, and we can have numeric values with 12.3. But in this case, this function is saying that this is not numeric. Same goes for plus 1 to 3 and dash 1 to 3. Are there any more examples? Nope, that's basically it. So yes, that is the isNumeric function from the strings module. If you want to see all of the stuff that you can find in the strings module, you can go into this strings module in the documentation and see all of the other functions that you can use with the strings module. And that's it for this video. Remember to subscribe right here. Follow me on socials at @Martinez. And I'll see you in the next video to talk about other function from the strings module. Bye!